Very good afternoon to all of you. I am sure it must have been rewarding experience, but this is only beginning. Now you will have to learn on your own. Learning never stops. You have to keep on learning. But this has given you a great experience because so many of you, drawn from various areas, different academic backgrounds, have had the occasion to work together. And that, as a matter of fact, defines Indian civilization. We all have to converge to serve the nation. I am sure you will carry the message for everyone you come in contact with. But most importantly, be in connect with one another. That is fundamental. You will realize much later how important nurturing of this connection would be in your future life. If you examine the services, they are connected to their batch. And they give importance to the batch once they get closer to 60 years. Am I right? And that becomes a great sustaining force. Be in connect with also the 3 earlier batches. Share your ideas freely, frankly, imaginatively, and with positive approach. How best to make this program, Rajya Sabha internship, more fruitful, more rewarding, more informative, and I'm sure that will go a long way in helping all of us, the Secretary General, the Secretary and the team, to evolve a mechanism. For the next program, we have learned from the experience. We'll be adding several verticals. We'll be having guest speakers beyond parliamentarians in various walks of life. What is important is that you develop yourselves and develop on your own. Ultimate focus has to be, don't be self-centric. You have to be thoroughly involved with the society, with your neighbor. You have to work for your nation. You have to ignore the rights when it comes to performance of duties. You have to take care of the climate. I had indicated in the beginning certain aspects that you must be engaged in. I have no doubt you'll bear that in mind. Share your experience and continue sharing them. There will be occasions when an idea will occur to you. You will conceive that idea. The moment an idea occurs to you, be in connect. Be in connect with your friends that you have made here and others whom you are in connect because of these programs. And once that connection is there, you will automatically find there will be convergence. Your friends will be able to help you out, will give you several inputs that will go a long way in molding your response to the concept that came to your mind, the one you conceived. And once that happens, you must head towards completing it. Because if we do not innovate, take initiative, think out of the box, and just be at rest because it may fail, that's not good. So once you reach this stage, remember what Vivekananda said, arise, awake, stop not till the goal is achieved. Those who wish to have free run of success will ever be in for great disappointment. There cannot be a trajectory only of success, because a success that goes a long way in shaping you, society and humanity has inbuilt mechanism of setbacks, failures. So be prepared for that. There will be occasions when you will feel slightly dejected. I should have succeeded, but I have failed. You will find a situation where your failure is unjustified. Success of the other person is also unjustified. Take it in routine. It happens quite often that we misread by one incident. You would have seen in social media somebody in haste ignoring on road somebody's comfort and then asking in a hurry by taking the car or vehicle back, "Can you tell me where is the emergency next?" Then you realize why that person was doing that particular thing. So never be judgmental and never go for hammerfall judgment. There is always the other point of view. Sometimes you'll find people you work with will get annoyed. They'll be angry. I have not come across a man who has not been irrationally angry. If he can't shout at others, he'll shout at himself. Because these are feelings we can't suppress. But overall, you must keep one thing in mind: positivity. Focus on connectivity. Trying to nurture relationships. Trying to ensure good of others. That automatically will make good for yourselves. I don't want to burden you with a lecture, I am sure. That is the last you all expect. Can we have, after about 6 months, a 2-day seminar of all who have passed out? I think that will be a great idea. And we can have it at a place outside Delhi also. For example, we can have it at a Statue of Unity. You get my point? So that you will have occasion for 2 days to discuss amongst yourselves and write out your experiences. और एक बात याद रखना, भारत जैसा कोई दूसरा देश नहीं है और धरती के अलावा कोई रहने की जगह और नहीं है. Am I right? And therefore, nurture the spirit of nationalism. Always keep nation first. Keep your eyes and ears open. कहते हैं न कि जिनके मन में खुराफात होती है, that is a challenge. Only yesterday, we had in Parliament a discussion how there are countries, how there are agencies, how they are well funded. Their object is to run down India's growth history, growth trajectory. They do not have wellness of our nation at their heart. They operate through some of us. Some of us fall prey to these evil designs because they do not understand their real intentions. They come with a mechanism which apparently looks to be helping you, hand-holding you. They are in a sense dream merchants. They come with some tangible benefits also. And that is why we see demographic change. That is why we see challenge to our civilization. That is why we see that while everything is going fine in the country, and somebody outside will be saying, oh, India is not going great. We are a country on a rise unknown to us so far. A rise that the world recognizes. So take pride in being Indians. Be proud of our civilization. Be totally committed to our nationalism. And always come forward to neutralize a narrative that is anti-national against our institutions. और ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है. सत्यमेव जयते. ठीक है? Thank you so much. But I'm sure their inputs will be available to us.
Yes, sir.
I will go through the input of each one of you as I have gone through of the earlier 2 batches. 3rd batch I have not gone through so far. I'll go through that also. I'll go through it. Then we'll converse them in a compendium also. All right? Sumant, make sure you converse them. In the process, refine it also. So they will give their input by what time?
15 days.
Never have days, get a date. Am I right? When a date is there and time is there, then we know it will come by that time. And do they know how they have to share that? Okay. All is worked out? So it has taken systemic form. Okay? Best of luck. We already have had a photograph. All of you came very fine in that photograph. Okay? Best of luck. Bye.
संसद टीवी के और भी प्रोग्राम्स देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा YouTube चैनल और हाँ, इन्हें लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।